Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ConvertKit to your LinkedIn profile link strategy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. In the top navigation bar, click on Links. Now, select Create a new link. Enter a name for your link that clearly describes its purpose. In the URL field, paste your LinkedIn profile link. Next, customize the link settings if necessary. Choose whether you want to track link clicks in your dashboard. Click on Save to create your link. After saving, you'll see your new link displayed in the list. Now, navigate to the Forms section in ConvertKit. Select the form you want to connect to your LinkedIn profile link. In the form settings, locate the section for link redirects or button customization. Edit the button text if needed to encourage clicks. For the redirect URL, choose your newly created LinkedIn link. Make sure to save your changes to the form. If you have email sequences, go to Sequences in the ConvertKit menu. Select the sequence that will include the LinkedIn link. Edit the email where you want to add the LinkedIn link. Use the text editor to insert a call to action for your LinkedIn profile. Link the text to your LinkedIn profile URL you created in steps earlier. Save the changes to the email sequence. Now, preview your form and emails to ensure everything looks good. Test the link by clicking on it to verify it directs to your LinkedIn profile. Once confirmed, you can start sharing your forms and emails with your audience. This strategy will help boost your LinkedIn visibility effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.